Greetings, everybody. It's your old pal Frank here, and happy Monday. Or at least I hope it's happy for most of you out there. To everyone who are self quarantining and social distancing and all that stuff, I wish you all the best. I hope everyone is safe. Myself, all is good here on the Canadian front. But as for today's video, it's going to be a bit of a mixed bag due to I haven't been able to really hit up my local Walmart, my local card store, or even my local dollar store for like the last week and a half due to circumstances. So I was sitting here in the room going, what can I use for some content? And then I found these. The first part of this video is actually going to be a mail call. I've had this package now for a good 2.5 weeks, and the only reason why I haven't opened it yet till today is due to pretty much the whole entire world being put in a stranglehold due to this freaking virus thing going on. So life has been crazy right now. So I've just had it here, and finally today I was like, okay, we're gonna open it. So I did a trade with Gaming Cards and More on Instagram, but he also has a YouTube channel, and I highly suggest you guys go check it out because he just cracked the 150 subscriber mark. He's currently sitting at 153. And I urge everyone to go check out his channel. He is doing a contest right now for his 150 subscribers. So, yeah, I'm going to post a link in the description of this video to his channel so you guys can go check him out. After watching this video, of course. So I did a trade with him, and he posted a bunch of extra stuff that he had pulled and whatnot, and some of the stuff happened to be a bunch of 1819 Upper Deck Series 1 and 2 stuff that I still needed for my set. A bunch of insert stuff and whatnot, and I just so happened to have a couple extra Young Guns from the 1920 Series 1 set, and I knew that he collected Young Guns and whatnot. So I messaged him. I was like, hey, I got these extras. Would you be down to do a trade? And he was like, sure, no problem. So we hit it off. We did the trade. His package got to me first, and my package actually got to him not too long ago. In one of his most recent videos, he showed off what I sent him. And yeah, so we're going to open this up. And I'll show you what I got. Also, I'm showing the envelope this way because I did not cross out my address on the other side, and I don't really have a problem with showing my address on camera. I'm not some, big superstar celebrity here on YouTube, so I'm not really worried about anything. But just to be on the safe side, we're gonna do it this way. Although, if anyone out there has, extra base cards or, insert stuff that you just don't want anymore and you just want to get rid of it, hit me up here in the comments or hit me up on Instagram at YazTripleCrown67 and let me know what you got, because I'm always willing to take it off your hands. I love cards, so yeah, let me know. Anyway, so without further ado, let's crack open this package, this amazingly packaged package. I love the painter's tape and everything. It's amazing. And let's see what I got, shall we? And then for those of you wondering what the second part of the video is going to be, it's something that's been a long time in the making, and if Undisputed Frost is watching, I know he's super, super excited. Alrighty, so let's... You know, I gotta get me some painter's tape. It's amazing to use when it comes to like sending out stuff. I've been meaning to get myself a roll for this very reason. For, you know, now that I have a an Instagram account for this channel, and I'm following quite a few you know, quite a few people who do a lot of like trading and whatnot. So I'm slowly getting into the whole trade thing. It's really helpful to have painter's tape. So the next time I head to Walmart, I will be getting myself a roll. All right. All right, here we go. So, whoops. Bumping the camera here. Okay. I'm just taking all this tape off camera. I don't think you guys want to watch me fiddle around with tape. Or maybe some of you do, I don't know. So I'll just try and talk and fill the void right now. Okay. Don't worry, folks. Almost there. Ah. All right. The tape is off. Let's just throw this over here for now. Put this on the floor. Okay. Phew. So in our first little pack here, we have a under 25 Nikolai Ehlers. We have a UD canvas of Pierre-Luc Dubois. We got a Stonewalled of Corey Crawford and a Stonewalled of Tom Barrasso. So, as I said, a bunch of insert stuff and whatnot still needed for my 1819 set. Hey, come on, get back in the sleeve. Come on. There we go. And we're gonna put these in here. This is the box with all my 1819 insert stuff. All right, next we got some rookie portraits. So that's series 2. So we got Maxime Lajoie, Kiefer Sherwood, Michael Rasmussen, and Antti Suomela. Oops, bumping the camera again. Then we have Colton Periaco, Matt Duchene, Elias Pettersson or Peterson, and another Maxime Lajoie. Wait, do I got an extra one? Oh, I do. Okay. Well, if anyone needs a Maxime Lajoie UD Rookie Portraits, hit me up. Now to get this back in the sleeve. Okay. And then the last little pack here, we got some more portraits. So we got Juuso Välimäki, Morgan Klimchuk, Philip Hronik, and Matthew Joseph. So, got a nice chunk of the UD portraits for my Series 2. I'd like to get some more of those Stonewalled cards, because I know some people, when they pull them, they're like, oh man, these. I actually think they're really nice. So I'd like to get some more of those eventually. And if any of you out there watching, if you have extra 1819 Series 1 or 2 base, or if you have any insert stuff, you know, doubles and whatnot, hit me up. I will definitely take a look at what you got, because I really, really want to work on putting these two sets together as complete as possible without having to dive into finding, you know, the autograph cards and the memorabilia cards and whatnot. So, anyway. Now, the second half of this video is pretty neat. I have all these, again, I'm showing the backs because my address. I have all these envelopes. Well, actually, I could show this one. I probably cover. Yeah. This is from the SAP Center in San Jose. Yeah. These are all fan packs that I got a long time ago. Vancouver Canucks. This one is actually from the Boston Red Sox. This one's from the St. Louis Cardinals. And then this huge one is from the Minnesota Twins. Yeah. So I've been sitting on these now for a long time, a few months. And because I was still waiting on a few teams to send me some stuff, but they never did, including the Montreal Canadiens. It's sad when you live in the same town as the team and they send you an email going, yeah, we're going to send you some stuff. Still waiting. Although, I shouldn't really be salty, because I'm sure thousands upon thousands of people send them emails every day asking for a fan pack. So, if I eventually get one, cool. But I got a whole bunch here right now, and I figured, you know what? Let's open them. I will try again for teams that I haven't gotten from. So I'm going to make like a little list of teams that I've received and teams that haven't. And maybe I'll even try for some football, maybe even basketball. Who knows? So anyway, without further ado, let's crack open our first one here. This one's from Oakland. So this is from the Oakland Athletics. Let me just check here, make sure I'm not ripping into anything. Alrighty. Oh. Okay, let's just do that. Alright, what do we got in here? We got a note. Oh wait, what is this? Oh, it's the history of the Athletics and notable performances and award winners and whatnot. That's pretty cool. Okay, what else we got in here? Oh, we got cards. This is from National Baseball Day. Oh, that's cool. What else have we got? This is... Oh, cool. It's, we got a schedule. Awesome. Here. Sticker. And then we got some like player cards. We got Marcus Semien, and we got Dave Stewart. Anything else? Oh, we got one more. Oh, that's cool. We got Vida Blue. Sweet. Alrighty. And may I add, this is the very first time I've ever opened fan packs from a team, so it's pretty neat. I'm thinking, should I open the cards? Yeah, let's open them. Why not? I'll try and be careful with them. So then I could just like slip them back into the plastic after. So we have Matt Chapman. We got a Ramon Laureano rookie, Matt Olson, and Jurickson Profar. Sweet. And then we got a little, celebrate National Baseball Card Day. That's for 2019. Yeah, exactly. 2019. That's how long I've been sitting on these things. Oh, man. Alright, cards back into the envelope. And we got our little history thing here, too. Put this all back in. Please go in. It's always like that, huh? When you want the stuff to go back in nicely, it doesn't. Okay, well, I'll fiddle around with this later. Oh, no, there we go. Okay. Never mind. I'll do it now. All right, so Oakland, very cool. Very cool, Oakland. Let's take a sip of coffee here. All right, next up. Nope. I'm gonna do that one like second to last, just to keep Frost in suspense. He already knows which. Well, it's the one I said from the SAP Center. Anyway, next we're gonna open this one from the Vancouver Canucks. Let's see what they sent me here. Alrighty. Ooh, this is nice. Everything's all wrapped up in here. Ooh. Well, that's cool. We got the sticker. What we got here? We got a note from the Canucks Sports and Entertainment team. Dear Frankie. And we got some player cards, like the postcards. So we got Louis Eriksson, Troy Stecher, and Chris Tanev. That's pretty cool. Is there anything else in here? Nope, that's it. Okay. Coolio. And I know maybe to some people they're like, that's it? Just a couple cards and a sticker? Hey, they didn't have to send me, they could have sent me nothing. So just getting this, I'm happy. Okay. Back into the envelope we go. Alright, Vancouver, very cool. Next we have... oh, it appears I cut this open already. Okay. We have this one from St. Louis. So we have... oh. We have some cards. We have a Matt Carpenter and a Carlos Martinez. Fox Sports Midwest. That's cool. These are probably like cards they hand out at the stadium or whatever. Then we got here. It's like a giant sticker. It appears to be. We got a. It's hard to show off in its entirety. It's like it's like a giant sticker, because if you look on the back, well, you see there's like the perforated lines here. So you just peel them off, and that's cool. Wait, number 12. Who is this? Someone in the comments, let me know. And let's see, is there anything else in here? Yes, there is. We have a sticker. I love stickers. And we got cards. So, we got cards from Oakland. Now let's see who we got for St. Louis. All right, we have Paul DeJong, Matt Carpenter, Miles Mikolas. Oh, that's cool. And we got a Paul Goldschmidt. Sweet. And again, celebrate National Baseball Card Day. and it's pretty cool getting these, because I can't, like on National Baseball Card Day, like I know this year it's August 8th. I can't actually get these here. This is like a states thing, so it's really cool getting these Baseball Day packs or whatnot. So, yeah, very cool. Okay, back in the envelope you go. So St. Louis, very cool. All right, Frost, this one's for you, buddy. We're opening our fan pack from San Jose. Now, I saw the one you got a little while back, so I'm curious if I get the same thing in it. All right. Now, for starters, oh, got something stuck here. This is cool. It's the Sharks 1920 schedule, but this is Sharks territory. That's just freaking awesome. Then we got, a tattoo. Stickers, yes! Love me some stickers. Then we got some player cards. We got Logan Couture, very cool. And we got Kevin LeBanc. Sweet. That's really cool. I like that. Alrighty, San Jose. Very cool. Oh, wait a minute. Hold the phone. Correction, folks. Sticker. Magnet. Well, that's going on my filing cabinet right now. Oh yeah. And just to prove. Ta-da! Sweet. Also, I apologize that this video is running very, very long. But, you know, the last video I did was like, what, 17 minutes? That's like a short video for me. No, I'm going to keep that Sharks territory up there. I really like that. All right, next, this is one that this is a fan pack that I've been wanting for quite some time, and it's of course my fan pack from the Boston Red Sox. So let's get this sucker open. All right, I'm gonna need the knife here. This thing is like packaged really good. Why, I don't know. They put it in a bag and everything. Making me work for this thing. Okay. Whew. Well, we got the plastic bag open. Now we open the envelope. Okay, let me just double check here in the light so I can cut it open and make sure I'm not cutting into anything vital. Okay, I'm gonna have to actually open this by hand because it appears there's a letter inside. Okay. Oh, handwritten letter. Oh, wow. Okay. On Red Sox stationery. Very nice. Please enjoy this fan pack, including the Dirt from Fenway Park. Oh, yes! We really appreciate our fans and hope that you will visit us at the park. I'd like to go back to Fenway Park one day. It was a real thrill when I was there a few years ago. Thanks for being a great fan, Phil Derek, Fenway Ambassador. All right, thanks, Phil. Alrighty. What we got here? Some player card. It's a player card. It's a little banged up, but whatever. Of David Price. Very cool. Maybe one day I'll actually send that out to see if he'll sign it. We got, of course, Red Sox sticker. And the piece de resistance, my own little bag of Fenway dirt. Oh. Now, to some, they may go, really? A baggie of dirt? No, that is just so freaking cool, man. Oh my god. That's probably one of the coolest things you could get in a fan pack. An actual pack of Fenway Park dirt, man. Alright, now let's put all this stuff back in the old envelope. Boston, you bang on. Alright, let's get all this crap out of the way. Alright, and then we move on to our final fan pack. This giant, oversized envelope from Minnesota. This thing is huge, so I'm really curious to see what's in here. How am I going to open this? I'll do it across the top here. Alright. We're in. What I got in here? Okay. Cardboard. News release. Rocco Baldelli named American League Manager of the Year. Really? Okay. Cool. Then, what else is in here? Okay. We got a postcard of TC. That's their mascot. We have a official. It's official. Removable decal. Of course. Twin stickers. And another TC postcard. Alrighty. So there you have it, folks. We had a mail call / multiple fan pack opening for this Monday. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give her a thumbs up. If not, give her a thumbs down. And most importantly, like, comment, and subscribe. And before leaving, or like, comment, and subscribe. I'm all flustered right now because of all this cool stuff. And most importantly, as I say at the end of every video, keep collecting what you enjoy collecting, and I will see you in the next one. Laters.